If your science experiments look like a mess, you're in luck. Let's make a tornado in a bottle. First, grab 2 plastic bottles. Fill one halfway with water. Now, use duct tape or a bottle connector to attach the empty bottle to the top of the water-filled one. Make sure it's sealed tight. Flip the bottles upside down and give them a good swirl. Watch as a mini tornado forms before your eyes. The swirling motion forces the water to move in a circular tornado-like pattern. Super cool, right? Fun twist. But what happens when water gets trapped in a vortex? Pause ominously. Some say it leads to a portal, to another dimension. Just kidding. Or am I? Try it out and see what you discover. Happy swirling.